going on with the guys? What you doing up there, Rodney?
Shedding some light on the subject.
Ah, that was a good one. Hi.
Hey.
What you doing?
Sanding.
Let's see if I can get this to turn. There we go. Oh, your your nose is blue. You got some schmutz. You're good.
So this is Mr. Howard's buggy.
Uh-huh.
So most of the chassis is done, so they're just waiting on me.
All right.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Finally. Meanwhile, we got the bus, Mr. Fetterman going, hey, my
Yeah.
bus not yet, which sounds working on.
Okay.
So this is a probably early 70s dune buggy. Not a really high price dune buggy, or not a really nice dune buggy, but it was inexpensive at the time. And being that it was inexpensive at the time, it was piss poor quality. So it's like it went out really quickly. Lots of voids in the gel coat, so we're having to go through and take care of all these little pinholes, and it'll go into high build on Monday, and then we start sanding this back down. So that's pretty much what I'm doing.
All right.
Stone's got the shiny stuff.
Ooh, let's go see.
Stoney got the shiny.
What you got going? Shiny, shiny?
Yep,
All right, let's see. Give us the tour.
the roof. I'm on 3,000 on the roof now. Got 5,000, 8,000 to go in polish. Lost the whole thing. This is Spook got this the body to 8,000 and the secondaries to 8,000. So
Nice. Very nice.
polish it, I can just jump on it and
Look at
get
it.
to it.
Looks like a mirror.
Yeah, somewhat. Getting there.
Feeling pretty proud?
So yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. That's pretty cool.
Not too bad. Could be better, but
Good job.
thank you.